First video, the chair's already broken. You're gonna be quiet, guy. So first video, I was scrolling through, looking for some good videos. I have spent a time scrolling through this damn computer and this phone, looking at videos, trying to find for this channel for you guys. And since we're looking at stealing content from other people, it's obviously gotta be something that someone else has done. So I stumbled across Matt Stonie's page, and I'm like, I love food, he loves food. Let's do some food challenges. And so the first one we're looking at is the chili cheese fry challenge. It is an insane amount of food, but somehow, Matt Stonie finds a way to just delete this food. I don't know if it's gonna go great. Fingers crossed I don't die. Let's see what happens. Let's go eat this food.
Montage.
9 large fast food fries, 2 pounds of chili. This is huge, but not as big as this. Huge thing of nacho cheese right here. And of course, the bacon bits. Tackle this. Unlike Matt Stonie, I'm not going to finish this in like 20 minutes. This is probably going to take me a long time, but we're going to try to find a way to finish it if I can. Again. And now that I got my water, we can get started. We're going to start the timer. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're 9.5 minutes in, and even though I'm a big fat, I'm still not gonna finish this. This is way too much food for me. I'm already full. I don't even think I ate half of this damn thing. So, Matt Stonie, way to go. I guess that's why you're a professional leader and I'm just an amateur. I'm out. Gonna eat this.